let's talk about cleaning. Like, I was busy making something on the weekend and I thought, I'll leave this and I just need another pair of hands so we can shoot this. But I was busy making something for a friend, and this is the mess that was created. We cut up an 8mm ply board, lots of circles, lots of dust, and you can see all the dust here. And so I just wanted to talk quickly about how we actually clean it up. I put most of it together, and as you can see, most of it you can just literally pick up and toss it in the bin. But then you sort of start asking yourself, well, what about the finer stuff? You know, like, what do you do about the fine dust? So we're going to answer that question too. Let's do it. Obviously the big bits you can sweep into something, but you're not going to pick up too much of that doing this. So, like we say to everybody else on the phones, if you're chatting to us or if you've got some dust to pick up, the best way to clean this is with a vacuum. So this little guy here is a indoor-outdoor wet-dry vacuum. Cost me $400. It sucks, it blows, it does everything. And in this case, it sucks really well. So let's have a look. Now, I will just say quickly, the thing with this is you want to give it a chance to suck it up. So you vacuum it like you've got a sore shoulder. A little slower, you know, like, but it'll work. So here we go, try again. In all of 2 minutes, we've picked that up, and that is just exactly how easy it is to clean. Any questions or queries? Give us a call.